everyone, this is Neha Chauhan, founder and CEO Aerobay, an experiential learning ecosystem. We are a futuristic tech-based experiential learning solution provider where our end outcome is to provide our K-12 segment a futuristic opportunity where in near future 2/3 of our jobs will lie. Domain coming under the section of air, water and land such as aerospace, drones, e-vehicle, meteorology. There's a big segment of designing and we follow the design thinking process. To begin with, we are currently operational in 18 different states in India with more than 2 lakh students currently enrolled in the program. We've been also recognized globally right from presenting our idea on the Shark Tank India Season 1, which gave us a global exposure. Apart from that, we were the only startup who got selected by Maharashtra Innovation Council, that is initiative taken by Government of Maharashtra, especially in the domain of education and skilling. We've been also awarded an entrepreneurial award in the category of education and skilling by British Council, which happened at UK Parliament Palace of Westminster in February 2024. We are also work very closely with Thai Global Group as well, who supports women and the different startups and founder and have presented our startup at Gitex Dubai Global in the year of 2021. Our company was the only company who got selected by UNICEF India and got published in the report of education 2.0. Soon we'll be started working with all the tier 2 and tier 3 schools and also provide them the same kind of experiential learning ecosystem. Our team is mixed of aero and tech enthusiasts who's on a mission to revolutionize the way we see the future of education. Now coming on to the solution, the main problem which we are trying to solve here is we have very less relatability of our theoretical concept with a real life industrial exposure. There is very limited industrial domain which our students are actually aware of, which is slowly creating a huge gap between the academic standard and the industrial requirement. And we soon realize that it's not just in India, it's a global problem which can actually affect the rate of employment in any of the domain which currently present right now. Now to solve this gap is exactly where our solution Aerobay comes in. Now just to give you a small idea, we don't run our program just as a part of hobby classes, for example, robotics, coding or designing. All of those portions, yes, is a part of our curriculum. But if we actually look the complete plethora of STEM education, they just target the T part, that is the technology of STEM. Our vision is to take an interdisciplinary approach of science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics and provide a complete end-to-end turnkey solution to our schools, right from academics to skill development to competition certification with an end goal of career and future perspective. Now, our program is divided into 4 to 5 different features. The first one, as I mentioned, the customized curriculum mapping, where we take different boards, CBSE, ICSE, IB boards, even the state and government schools, where we've taken the concept right from the student academic book, depending on which grade the student are. It could be science, maths, geography, history. Even we can take the whole domain of commerce segment and actually relate it with the way we learn and way we process the academic concept inside the STEM education. So we've taken each of these concepts from student book and integrate a particular technology, again which is coming into the air, water and land domain. Once we've done customizing the curriculum according to the school board, we need an empty room from the school, approximately a rough size somewhere between 600 square feet to 1,100 square feet, where our engineering design team comes and they do the complete lab setup. This lab has marvelous prototype of different engineering products such as wind tunnel, satellite, planes, drones, tools. There's a dedicated segment of meteorology because it's a very futuristic career domain where we place these big industrial prototype machinery, and these machinery plays a helping hand in terms of helping students understand this concept in a real life application basis. Now to run this whole curriculum, we provide 2 qualified trainers. These are aerospace mechanical engineer who stays permanently inside the school and becomes school permanent resource person. Apart from running our curriculum, they can also do a parallel teacher training process, which can also give a very quality outcome to our K-12 schools. Now our main focus is on the analytics, because at the end of the year when the program finishes, how do we know actually our child has shown some kind of improvement in it? So whether a child is making a product or doing a presentation or flying a plane, Our trainer's responsibility is to actually record everything, and if school likes, we can convert into a QR code, put it on report card. Parent can come and actually scan it and get the complete digital portfolio of their student. Now keep in mind, this digital portfolio plays a very important role in students' life, because once the student join Aerobay program, let's say in 5th or 6th class, by the time he or she finishes 12th standard, we'll have more than 200 product videos which will be adding on to their digital portfolio, which later after their school, they can actually take it to any college, any industry, for even internship, and actually show them this is what I did in school for past 12 years or 10 years. So that plays a very important role. Apart from this, we almost around 11 to 12 national to international competition, which Aerobay provides a direct access to all of these students despite of their particular background. So it's not just for the science and math student, even the student from arts background, creative field, commerce student can actually come and participate in it. Competition right from NASA, ISRO, Tata, Airbus, Boeing, we have collaborated. Our whole idea, our whole program is completely aligned with national education policy. Now, apart from national education policy, we have also taken care of School Innovation Council, because they have mentioned around 25 to 30 different skills, and we've made sure that those 25 to 30 different skills are running parallelly apart from our fixed curriculum, which we already run inside the school. Currently at this stage, there are very few organizations, few education company out there who's able to cover the complete plethora of STEM education, where we focus independently on each and every domain of STEAM, that is science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. Right now, there are so many companies such as robotics and hobby classes company, which is focusing on one part of STEM, that is T of technology of STEM or science experiment company. Our idea is through the global collaboration, whether it's through Shark Tank or Thai Women or British Council or initiative through Government of Maharashtra. We are also the only education company who's the sole educational partner of Aero Modeler Association of India, which is a government organization, Director General of Civil Aviation approved. We have also partnered with STEM.org. So STEM.org is the world's oldest and longest standing STEM affiliation platform, which actually help us in terms of creating blockchain-based technology for all our students who will be finishing the program. So through this very strong global partnership and the industrial ecosystem which we have, we are trying to provide a student a complete end-to-end opportunity where all their needs, right from whether they are learning an academic solution practically, whether they are participating in international level global competition, whether they want to just explore any of these futuristic domain, everything will be done under one roof inside the school system itself. We also focus very heavily on the career counseling domain, where we try to get experts from different industry, and these experts actually give our student an exposure in terms of what are the different skills required, what are the different industries and universities which are available, who are giving our students enough skill-based curriculum so that student can have a very important, futuristic, fruitful domain.